Okay, so today we're doing a deep dive into something pretty cool, and it's all that AI, specifically, Microsoft Copilot. And you might be thinking, oh, come on, another AI thing, but this is different, I swear. We're not just talking about using it. This is about mastering the conversation with it, like figuring out how to speak its language, so you can unlock the really powerful stuff, with coding and writing, even data analysis. We're going to break down this whole art of prompt engineering, which basically means how to write those instructions so that Copilot becomes your ultimate sidekick, like getting it to do exactly what you want. One of the biggest things I learned is that Copilot absolutely loves specifics. It's not just saying, like, hey, write a report. It's more like giving it very clear instructions. Like, let's say you want to look at Q4 sales trends. Instead of just being vague, you could say something like, okay, Copilot, give me a summary of sales from Q4, focusing on the biggest wins and losses, and use the data from the 2023 report. See how that's different. You're giving it the time frame, the data source, like which report to look at, and the kind of insights you're looking for. That's what makes Copilot really shine. It's like giving someone a super detailed map instead of saying, go explore. Right. And it gets even more interesting when you start using it for tougher stuff, like writing code. Structure and prompts are key here. They're your best friend. Say you need like a Python function to get data from a specific website. So instead of just saying, hey, write me Python code, you got to break it down. Or you could say, write a Python function to grab JSON data from specific website address here, then sort it by date and use the requests library for this. So you're walking Copilot through it step by step, which is super important to get code you can actually use. And here's a pro tip, by the way. You can even put in things like error handling or security stuff right into the prompt itself. It's like having a super-powered coding buddy. Right into your computer. But it's not all about code, right? Copilot's creative too. Like, imagine writing a blog post. Now, instead of just saying, Copilot, write a blog post about this product, you can say, draft a blog post about my new eco-friendly product line. Make sure to talk about sustainability, make it for young adults who live in cities. Boom. You're not just getting words, you're getting targeted content that actually speaks to your audience. And get this, it's conversation. You get a draft, and then you can keep refining it with, like, follow-up prompts. Use a stronger call to action. Easy. Just tell Copilot, revise this blog post and add in a call to action to get people to sign up for our newsletter. It's like having an editor who gets you, instantly. I think what's so cool about all this is that it totally changes how we work with AI. It's not about AI taking over. It's about AI being a tool to make us even better. Like a Copilot for this crazy world of information and tasks. So next time you're working on something, stop and think. Could Copilot help? And how would you ask it to get the results you need? That's the power of prompt engineering. Finding that potential that's already there and unlocking it. And that's it for our deep dive today. Thanks for listening. Until next time.